Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to find your cPanel username and password in GoDaddy. This is a very simple thing to do guys. So make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official GoDaddy website right here, godaddy.com if you have not already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where we can get started by logging into our account in the upper right corner. So we can get started with logging in. If you do not already have an account, just go and create a new one, and after logging in you'll be greeted by this home page right here where we can find new domains, we can see all of our products and services right here, and so on. So guys, let's go ahead and see to get started with browsing our products and services we have. So let's go ahead and get started. As you can see, currently I do not have any products, but I'm going to show you how it works if you have your products and how you can find your cPanel username and password. Basically what you want to do is find the websites and hosting product that you own and click on it. After clicking on it guys, as you can see, it's going to open up this new menu right here, and here is the details step by step how you find your cPanel username and password. So you want to go to the product page, and under web hosting you want to go ahead and find the Linux hosting account you have, and there you'll want to click the manage option. So under web hosting guys, as you can see, here is web hosting. We're going to go ahead and open it up, and if you have the product, it's going to open up the menu where you can go ahead and click on manage, and under manage guys, in your dashboard in the settings you'll be able to see your cPanel login and your password that you'll be able to use for GoDaddy logging in. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.